Dr. Buddhacharan Das is the chairman of Bodhisattva Foundation, Bangkok, Thailand. He is an exponent of yoga and a scholar of Buddhism. He is committed to bringing peace to the world and is supporting the mission of Professor Dr. Vishwanath D. Karat.
I feel blessed to be here, and I want to thank Professor Dr. Karat by giving me a chance to share our life together. Because our life, or jivan, basically it's come from dupe, or the first ray of the sun. And in that dupe, there's a memory of prana and jiva. That's why we base our sustainable from the sun, the season. Everything that we own within our life and everything as we see in our whole universe is responsible by that dupe, the sun. When sun starts to move, we recognize that Acharya. I was told all of you are Acharya, no? Yes?
Yes.
You are the which is moving, moving, moving. And this Acharya, sometimes we call Dincharya. She's smiling. Dincharya is bahut jaruri hai. That means Guru come or Acharya come and tell you what's the most priority in life. And that priority is based on the flowing of the dupe, the Surya. That's why we have morning, late afternoon, evening, seasons. All this is totally administered or ruled by Charya. Brahmacharya is much bigger than Dincharya. We heard that. So is the most vital sound. All the sounds emerge from This is what Vedic science is all about. This is what Veda is all about. When we refer as a Veda, then we cannot say Veda is a book anymore. If you refer Veda as a book, then you are not you are something else. And this is what India have to be waking up. I'm born somewhere few thousand kilometers away, but my heart, my soul, my atma is Bharat. Why? Because I'm following all the time. Is your right. Is you. From E come. And disappear because of U. So E, U. Together create Ri. And this Ri is what we need to find out. Where is it in our life? Where is it near us? Because they are the totality of which is infinity. E is Gyan Shakti and Kriya Shakti within it. Today's world, they appreciate Kriya Shakti. That's what philosophy is all about. But what about Gyan Shakti? It's not being mentioned very much. And that's why this Kali Yuga is manifesting, because Gyan Shakti, which is part of Kriya Shakti, is not being fully appreciated. And this is why Dr. Vishwanath Garaj wanted to incorporate these two Gyan. One is Gyan, one is Kriya. One is transcendental and one is manifesting. One is behind or unmanifest, and one is manifesting. When we want to know what is the truth, there's two ways to learn. You think about it, you read about it, you listen about it. But this manifestation truth is always changing. It influences our intellect to complicate our intellect. So you're not natural, or you're not you become something else. When the buddhi is predominant, this is in our life today, in education, then we are not simple. This simplicity is a requirement. Just like you stand still is a requirement to make steps. You first have to learn how to stand. That's why a child of 6 months old, he stand and he fell down, he stand and fell down. Some months later he can steps. Peace of mind, just stand still. And this peace of mind is the basis of world peace. You have to learn how to stand. This is Gyan Shakti. Now, according to Lord Krishna himself is Gyan Shakti. Arjuna is Kriya Shakti. From this perspective, they communicate what is Dharma. So Dharma come from these two opposite values. Dharma in English we call laws of nature. Law, rule. You put the mango seed in the ground, only mango tree and mango fruit came. This is the law. Who make that empty space in the seed growing into a tree and become infinite seeds? This is the That in hollowness must have something more than just hollow. Emptiness. There must be something more. One thing she knows, memory, smriti. I remember, I'm a mango tree, and I'm a mango seed, and I am infinite seed. So the seed becomes the seed. This is the whole teaching of Lord Krishna to Arjuna.